Hello guys. Hope you guys are doing good. Welcome again to web development for kids and teens. This should be the ninth video. I hope you guys are following the lessons. And you don't have any question. If you have any question, always put it in the comment section below. Okay. So today we're going to continue on our personal website that we have been working on. You remember we were able to work on our home page, right? I want to assume that you guys have something like this. Then the about me. Then the last time we did my project, right? We will put some images in here and then some demo project, right? Okay, so today we're going to work on our video games page. Okay, yeah, the video game page is just to show people that if you play video games, what kind of video games do you play, right? Yeah, so that's the purpose of the video game page. So right now, what we have here doesn't make sense. Okay, so that's what we want to work on, the video game page, right? Then you remember, so the first thing that we'll do, okay, is to create our HTML for the video game page. So let's call it my games. Okay, so call it my underscore games dot html. It's as simple as that. All right, so that's the first thing. So then the my video games page, yeah, will not be different from really different from the my projects page. So that means we can copy all the codes from my projects page, right? Because we need the navigation, then we'll put it here. Then we don't need this one, this project, right? Then we don't need this one, but we need the navigation, right? So the navigation has to be there. All right, okay, yeah. So but before we continue, I forgot. Okay, so this is what I'll be teaching you today: how to add video to your HTML, right? So we want to add videos. So the idea is we are going to download a video of some people playing video games, then we'll put it on our web page. It's going to be nice. You see it, right? Then just continue working on our personal website. Okay, that's what we want to do. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so then again, don't forget, you have to change this to my games. Okay, then don't forget, go to my project where you copy it from, then you change it here too, you save it. Then I think we have index, right? You change it here. Then we have one more. I think that should be about me, right? So you did okay, good. So all of them. So then we refresh. Okay, then when I click on my video games, you see, so we have all of that, our navigation, and we have this, right? So that is very good. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is to actually just put the video that we want to put in here, right? And I will show you guys the command for video. Okay, so the tag for video, but let me just have a comment in here. You guys can also have it. So this is where the video goes, right? So then the tag for video is just video tag. Okay, video tag. Then you do this, then you close it. That's all. Okay, so but then we're going to have some attributes. So the first thing, autoplay, right? So we want our video, when you load your the web page, the video to just start playing. Like, we don't need to click on the button for it to play, right? That is that one. Then we want it to be muted. We don't want sound to come through, right? Then we want it to loop. Loop means that, so let's say the video is just like 10 seconds, right? So when it finishes 10 seconds, then it should go over again from beginning again. So just continue to loop, right? So then we need CSS for our video, okay? So let's just call this my video. We're gonna add it to our CSS, okay? It's not right. Okay, so let's do this. Good. All right. So now that we've done that, then we need the source of the video, like just the same way that we have source for images, right? But it's kind of different in here. So source, so you write source, then you say src, then the type of that video is gonna be video mp4. So that's the file type, okay? Video. Okay, so now we need to get a video, to put in our games web page, okay? So you remember our free pick, right? We can actually use this for video to see video is right. So what you have to do is just click on this video right there, okay? So now it's video. So let's search for a video that is like a video game, like someone is playing video game. Okay, so you see all of this in our videos. I don't want to play this one, it's disgusting. See this one, I think that's a snake. Yeah, so but yeah, see, they are all videos. But I mean you can search for video that you like, but I think I just like this, that there's no face, I mean, like, what would be nice is to actually have a video that is showing some people playing video game, that is showing their screen, right? But I look for it, yeah, I couldn't find, so I'm just gonna use this one, okay? So then don't download this, because this is like 684 megabytes. Just download a preview. A preview is just enough, okay? So right here, so just click on download, then immediately it downloaded. All right, so then you go to your download folder. Let me to do that. So you go to your download folder, so you see it's right here. So you just copy it, then you go to, so your images, where your images are, you can put it there. There's no need to create another folder for videos, okay? So let's rename it and call it game. So it's game.mp4, right? So let's now go to our code. Then the source in here, then we'll do img, then game. Good. So before we check how it is, so let's define this in our CSS field. So there we go. Okay, let's go to the end. Remember, it's ID, so £. So so we're gonna use this. I have it written somewhere, so just pause the video. So the position is absolute, right? So that means it won't shift for anything. Right is 0, bottom is 0, minimum width, maximum height, minimum height, right? So that's what this is gonna be. So let's see how this is gonna look. So let's refresh this. My games. Oops, I think I put it in the wrong place. Yeah, so I put it in about me, but it's supposed to be in my games. Okay, it means I was not paying attention. So it's supposed to be here. Okay, please, it's supposed to be in my games, not about me, please. All right, so let's refresh this. So you see, so the video is playing, you see, so the video is playing continuously, right? This is what we want, right? Okay, so then we can see that the video is supposed to take the whole page, but this has background, right? So let's look at that. I think that is now about, right? So now about, so we're gonna have another. So let's make a copy of this and have this for nav underscore game, right? Then we remove the background color. So copy all of that, then you put it here. So let's name this one. So nav for game. Then we don't need all of this. Okay, cool. Then that means we'll replace this in my game. Replace it with this. Alright. So the only thing is just that the background color is gone. So let's see. See, very nice, simple, right? I mean, you must have seen some website that they put videos in it. See, this is how they do it. It's very simple, right? Just make sure that you have your image, like your video downloaded and all of that, you know. Then you have your video tag and this, you know, and you'll be good. Okay, so that's the major thing that we actually want to do in here, right? But I think we should also add some other content, like maybe list of games that you play, right? Maybe top 5 or top 6 or something like that. So let's try to do that. Okay, so let's do that. So let's have a div in here. Okay, so that div, so let's call it my top video games. So our top video games, so let's call this id is equal to top games. Okay, that's good. So now let's go and define top games. So id top games. All right, that looks good. So what do we need to do for top games? So I have something written here. I'm gonna explain what it is. So the position again is fixed. Then this top, so where I want, so I'll show you what this is doing. Then the width, then the color, then the font size. So let's see how it is. So you see it's right over here. So I'm saying this top that it should be 45% from the top. If I reduce this value, you see that it will go up. So let's say I reduce it to 15, right? You see that it will go up, right? So that is from here to here is 15% of the page. If you take your ruler and you measure from here to down of your screen, right? Then you measure from here to here. If you do your maths correct, it should be 15%. Okay, so but we want 45. All right, So 145. Cool. Then let me see what I can do again. Then I want to just change the color of these video games. So I think it's gonna look better. So let me do span. Okay, I can do span. Span means just stay on this line. Okay, okay. Then I want to give it an ID. ID is equal to my name. So I have this defined already for my index page. So if you don't have it, so you see I have something called my name and I give it a color. But if you don't like this color, you can define your own ID here and say game color or something, then you put it in here. Okay, but I think I like this one, so let's see how it looks. See, yeah, so it changes this one, right? You can play around these. You can change the color. You can change all of the colors. So if you want to change all the colors, right? So you can just put the span at this end, right? For example, I mean, for that you probably don't even need span, but yeah, if you want to do something like this, right, you can change all, but I don't think it's cool that way, so I'm gonna go for this. Okay, see, it's very easy and it looks like it's even done, right? So but now, so we have the list, so our top games, right? But we want to actually put the list of the top games down here. Okay, so we're gonna use table for that. You remember on our index page that we have this footer, right? So we can reuse it. So all you have to do is just copy this footer. All right, then you come here, paste it. Okay, so let's see if that's actually okay. See, it's right in here. Okay, but we're gonna change some things, right? Because we want it to be the video games, not icon from social media. Okay, so the first thing that I did in mine, I actually changed this footer. So let me see what we have for now for this footer. So I changed this footer because I want to change the position of the bottom, right? So you can make a copy of that, right? So let's call it footer game. Right, so let me see what I use for that. Then for the bottom, I say 2%. That is 2% away from the bottom, right? I don't want it to stay at the bottom. Yeah, think of not. Yeah. Okay. So you see it bumps up a little bit. Okay, so let's see what else can we do. Then I changed this too, right? So let's see what we have for this image logo. So image logo, we have padding right. So do we need to change that? No, let's leave that padding right to be like that. Okay, so what else can we change to make it look good? I think we should make it bigger. actually. So here we're going to use 150 pixel for everything. 150, 150, and 150. Okay, then I think right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's have 6 video games. Okay, so just copy and paste this. We're gonna change the image. That is 5, and that is 6. Then we'll need something like this here. So first of all, remove this one. So we have 3. You can just copy. We need one more, right? So oops, that means we have 6. Okay, good. So let's see how this is. So you see we have 6, but these icons, they're not what we want. Okay, so what I did actually, I mean I don't play video games a lot, but so like this, all of this is supposed to be your top 6 favorite games, so we need icon for them. So let's say Adopt Me from Roblox is one of your favorite game, right? So we just say Adopt Me logo Roblox PNG. So PNG, that is with that background. Then you go to images, then you can, so I think I downloaded this one. Yeah, so you can download this one. Then again, just search for all the video games that you like, to play, right? 6 of them. You download the images. So I think I have my own images. I have them already. So I have Adopt Me, I have Blocks Fruit, Brook Urban. Yeah, this one. I think I use this one. Then Mip City, Murder Mystery, Piggy, and Piggy. Okay, so I don't play all of that, but I just use them. Okay, just as example. Okay, so let's say the first one is Adopt Me. I'm using this one. Then the next one is Brook Urban. It's supposed to be PNG, but yeah, I think that one will also work. Yeah, I don't know how I downloaded that. Then Mip City. After Mip City, I think I have. Wait, did I miss? Okay, I can have Blocks Fruit here. Then Piggy. And again, you have to download these images. Okay, just don't want to use this time to go through downloading, so I downloaded them already. Okay, so let's see how this looks. There you go. See, so these are all the games, right? Okay, so now you see the names are not right. Okay, so what you have to do is come down here, very easy. So the first one, so this one I actually want to how do I, okay, so let me do something. Okay, Adopt Me. All right, so that's for that one, right? Adopt Me. So but what I want to happen, so that when someone come to this page and click on this Adopt Me, I want them to be able to go to Roblox and be able to see what Adopt Me is about. Okay, so like a link that goes from your website to Roblox, right? So for us to do that, we'll use something that is almost related to this Ahref, right, but a little bit different. Okay, so if you want to do that, all you have to do is, so inside here So you have your href. Okay, so let's leave it blank for now. Okay, then you just close it. Yeah, something like that. Then inside that place, that's where you're gonna write adopt me. Okay, so now we need to go and get the link for adopt me. Okay, so adopt me Roblox. So you can just come here and just say adopt me Roblox. Then you see it's this guy. So what you do is just copy this link. This is adopt me, right? Just keep going back there. Then you put it in here. So now from your website, when someone click adopt me, it will go to Roblox. But you see something, when they click on this, it will take them away from your website. Yeah, so we don't want that. So like we want that when they click on this, it will just open in a new tab. It won't take them away from here. Okay, so we can do that. So all you have to do to make that happen in here, so you see target underscore blank. So this is what will make it to open in a new tab. So now when I refresh this and I want to click on adopt me, see it opens a new tab. So it still keep my page. Okay, so then the last thing that I want to do, so I don't like the way this is underlined, so yeah, we're going to apply some CSS to it. So let's have a class and call it games link. Okay, good. Then remember, a class will start with a period. So games link. All right, so what do we need for that games link? It's very simple. So we want to call it to be white text decoration. So like this means that text decoration none means that don't underline it, right? Because underlining is a text decoration, right? So you saying text decoration none means do not underline. All right, okay, then I guess I don't need this margin left actually. See, now it's good. I can still click on it and it will go here. Okay, so we need to do the same for for all of these. So what I will do, because I'm lazy, okay, I'm gonna copy this, I'm gonna paste it one after the other. It's actually not okay. Let me do this. That's 3, that's 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so the next one is actually Brook Urban. All right, so so I will rename this to Brook Urban. Again, it's supposed to be the game that you like. Okay, so then the link for that, I actually got it already. So but if you want to get the link, so you just go through the same process. Yeah, right, you search for it, then you get the link. But I have the link already. So the link for Brooks Urban is this. So you can just delete everything, right? Then you paste. So this is a link. Then the next one is MIP City. So you change the name to MIP City. Again, it's the game that you like, okay? Then the link for MIP City, I have it saved somewhere. That's that. Okay, after MIP City, I have Blocks Fruit. Okay, Block Fruits. Again, I have that link. So copy the link. And I'll do this. Okay. So the next one is Piggy. Piggy. Is that the spelling? Yes, it is. So let me copy the link. So you see how it's gonna come out. It's gonna be nice. Again, if you don't have up to 6 favorite video games, just put examples of the one I'm putting. Okay. Yeah. So then don't try to copy this link one after the other. Just go to Google. Just say Piggy Roblox. Then you see the link. It's gonna take you time to copy this link one after the other. Don't do that. It's not advisable. Then the last one is actually Murder Mystery. All right. Murder Mystery. Okay. Right there. Good. So now let's check it out. Good. See? So when I click on this, it takes me to Brookhaven, alright? Brookhaven. When I click on Block Fruits, it takes me there, right? Which is very good. Okay. So I think, yeah, this is all we actually need for our video games page. Okay. You put your background video just the same way that we have background image. Again, you can search. Then when you want to download, please don't download this one. Download preview. Okay. This is too heavy. Alright. So you can search for anything you want, but I just feel that this is good. Alright. So if we want, actually we can use marquee to make these logos to move, right, from right to left. Let's try that. If you want to do it, so do it, but it's actually optional, but I think it's gonna be cool, right? So let me see. So just before the table, okay, so put a marquee here. Alright, so it's gonna close it here, but we don't want to close it here, so cut it out and put it at the end of the table. Then you see that this is lining up with this, so that's wrong. So come here, then you press tab, then this should go inside. So just highlight all of this carefully, then you press tab right there. Okay, so that should move right now. So nice, it's moving. All right. I think that's good. let's see. I think it's gonna go all the way to the right. Okay, so let's change something so that the direction will change. So if I say the direction is right, I can change the direction to right is equal to right. Okay, then if I want it to just be, because now it's just scrolling all the way, if I want it to bounce back and forth, I can do that. So how to do that is, there's a tag called behavior, attribute called behavior, and it's alternate. So alternate means that just bounce. So if I refresh this, you see. So you see it's bouncing, right? So then I want it like such a way that when I mouse over it, I want it to stop. Okay, so when I mouse over it, then it should stop. So the way to do that is this. Just carefully write this. Okay, so say on mouse over. Do we have the on mouse? This one on mouse over. Then say, so put this dot stop. So that means when you mouse over it, it should stop. All right. So you see, it stopped. So now it stopped and it's not moving again. So then we need another thing to put it and say on mouse out. On mouse out. So this dot start, saying that when I remove my mouse, then it should start. Okay, so let's refresh it. Mouse in, stop. Mouse over. See, very cool. Mouse in, mouse over. Then this is kind of moved to the left in here. So let's see if we can do something about that. So in our games link, let's put this. Yeah, okay, it's moved to the center a little bit. Yeah, so that's it. So when you mouse over, you see it stop, then you can click on anything, it will take you there. Right, it continues. If you mouse over, it stops. So yeah, I think this way I will stop. Hopefully you guys don't have any issues or questions, but if you have questions, feel free to put it in the comments and I will respond to it. So I mean, like, basically this is just showing you how to add video to your web page, and it's very easy, right? It's just putting this, right, and yeah, good, right? Then you put other stuff in it. Okay, so like the major thing is just to know how to write the CSS, right? So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and share with your friends, and I think that's where we're going to be stopping today. So we'll meet in the next video. Okay, and then when you're getting your image, try to get image that looks really good. Okay, you can, I think the official images on the Roblox is good. So for example, this image, right, you can just right click and save it. Okay, I think if you use that, you should still be good. All right, okay guys, Take care of yourself and see you in the next video. Bye for now.